Hello guys, I want to show you something interesting. Here is Kindle Scribe 2024 and here is Kindle Scribe 2022 from the inside. As you can see, I will just compare it. The motherboard from the one and the other is exactly the same and I've tested it. They are cross-compatible. You can exchange one with the other, and the same thing with the screen, because in this Scribe 2022 I had broken display and I replaced it, the one from the 2024, and it works just fine. So it seems that Amazon has done something quite easy. They've kept the same internals and they've just replaced the pen and the outer screen from the, let's say, looks perspective, and from the internals it's changed like nothing at all.